Welcome to China, a land of ancient traditions and modern wonders. From towering skyscrapers to serene mountains, bustling streets to peaceful rivers, China is a country of breathtaking diversity. Join us as we explore the beauty, culture, and life of this fascinating nation. China is home to some of the world's largest cities. Shanghai, the financial hub, dazzles with its futuristic skyline and vibrant night lights. Beijing, the political and cultural heart, blends ancient history with modern life. Walking through the streets, you'll find markets, food stalls, and the constant hum of daily life, where tradition and modernity coexist in harmony. China's history stretches back thousands of years. The Great Wall, one of the world's greatest wonders, winds across mountains and valleys, a testament to human ingenuity. The Forbidden City in Beijing reveals imperial splendor, while the Terracotta Army in Xi'an tells the story of the first emperor of China. These landmarks are not just tourist attractions, they are windows into a rich and ancient civilization. Beyond the cities, China's natural beauty is astounding. The Li River winds through misty karst mountains, creating scenes that have inspired painters for centuries. Huangshan's jagged peaks and Zhangjiajie's towering cliffs look like something out of a fantasy world. In Guilin, rice terraces paint the hills in lush green patterns, a testament to the harmony between humans and nature. China is a country of contrasts. While ancient temples and traditional villages remain, the country has embraced modern technology at a staggering pace. The high-speed bullet trains connect cities in hours, airports bustle with travelers, and modern bridges span mighty rivers. China's rapid development is visible everywhere, yet its past remains deeply respected and preserved. From ancient wonders to modern marvels, from bustling cities to tranquil landscapes, China is a country of endless discovery. Its people, culture, and nature create a tapestry of experiences that inspire and amaze. This is China, a land of beauty, tradition, and innovation. But China's transportation future goes beyond traditional systems. Across the country, experiments are underway with self-driving taxis, autonomous buses, smart traffic lights, facial recognition ticketing, and even magnetic levitation trains. These technologies push the boundaries of efficiency, making urban travel faster, cleaner, and more connected. Stretching over 21,000 kilometers, the Great Wall of China is one of the most iconic structures on Earth. Built across mountains and deserts, it protected ancient kingdoms for centuries. Today, it stands as a symbol of China's endurance and unity. Walking on the stones, you feel the weight of history beneath your feet. In China, sports and games bring people together in everyday life. Football is one of the country's most popular modern sports, with young players filling school fields and parks, dreaming of becoming future stars. Tennis is growing fast too, inspired by champions like Li Na. Today, you can find tennis courts in nearly every major city, with new talent rising each year. And alongside these modern sports, China keeps its traditions alive with the Chinese yo-yo or Guangzhou. In parks and festivals, performers spin and flip the diabolo with skill and rhythm passed down for generations. Together, football, tennis, and the Chinese yo-yo show China's mix of modern ambition and cultural tradition. China's modern transformation is unlike anything in human history. In just a few decades, megacities have risen from the ground, fast, bold, and spectacular. Shanghai, with its glowing skyline of the Bund and Pudong, feels like a vision of tomorrow. Beijing blends ancient imperial structures with cutting-edge design. Shenzhen transformed from a fishing village into a global tech powerhouse. High-speed trains travel across the country at lightning speed, connecting provinces through innovation. China's rise can be seen most clearly in its transportation network, a system so vast and advanced that it has transformed how millions of people live, travel, and connect every single day. Across this giant nation, movement is not a challenge. It is an achievement. China operates the largest high-speed rail system on Earth. Over 40,000 kilometers of high-speed tracks link more than 700 cities, more than the entire world combined. Trains glide smoothly at speeds between 300 and 350 kilometers per hour, turning journeys that once took days into a matter of hours. A trip from Beijing to Shanghai, a distance similar to traveling across multiple European countries, now only takes 4.5 hours. Passengers enjoy quiet cabins, clean stations, and futuristic designs that feel straight out of science fiction. China is a country of breathtaking landscapes, from the snowy peaks of the Himalayas in the west, to the deserts of Xinjiang, to the endless bamboo forests of Sichuan, and the tropical beaches of Hainan. Few countries on Earth contain such variety. There are karst mountains rising sharply from the waters of Guilin, volcanic lakes in the northeast, and red sandstone cliffs stretching across Zhangjiajie, nature's own painted masterpiece. Away from the big cities, rural China moves at a calmer pace. Farmers tend to rice terraces that curve like steps across the mountains. Elders sit outside talking, playing traditional board games. Children run through narrow village streets. These quiet moments reveal a China that has preserved centuries of lifestyle and community. Beyond its landmarks, China's true beauty lies in its people and their traditions. From calligraphy and martial arts, to tea ceremonies, dragon dances, and colorful festivals, every region carries its own heritage. The Spring Festival, Chinese New Year, is the largest annual human migration, as millions return home to celebrate with family. China's cuisine is just as diverse. In Sichuan, food is bold and spicy. In Guangdong, flavors are soft and delicate. In Beijing, Peking duck is famous worldwide. Thank you for traveling with us. Subscribe to explore more countries, cultures, and landscapes from around the world.